Welcome back to another episode of Miss Marissa Moments. Today we're going to do something really fun. We're going to make our own soda called Soda Stream.
Hey you, that's right, I'm talking to you. It's time to watch our favorite girl and teach us something new. We're making crafts, we're playing games, we're going for a ride. You can find us having fun on every Sunday night. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments.
All you need are 4 of these bottles filled with water. You need this machine for the carbonation. The point I want you to see is this little line to help you know when to stop with the water. So, for the carbonation, there's this little piece back down here, right here. You will put your bottle in there, like this. So you pull it up like this, and then you twist. It will stay like that, and then this little button up here, you push, it's a bubble. And then after that, you pull that, and then after that, you pull it off, just like that. This is the flavoring of the Soda Stream. You can have Diet Orange, or you could have Pepsi Zero. There's other flavors that you can buy, but this is the only things I have. There's a little lime in there, you can't really tell, but there's the stopper point. Your lid. Screw it on tight. And do that, and now it's ready. And then all you gotta do is put it in the fridge, and then wait for it to be really cold, and then put a nice tall straw in it, and then you can drink it. Okay, we're gonna make a couple more bottles. Now this one does not have a lid, so we're going to be really careful with this one. And we'll drink some, don't worry. And there you go. All 4 bottles are ready. I hope you enjoyed my demonstration on how to make your own soda on the Soda Stream. See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments.